The Oppo Find X7 Ultra unveiled a few days ago has landed at our office for review. But before we put this 2024 Oppo flagship through our review gauntlet, let's take a quick look at what it offers. The Oppo Find X7 Ultra comes in tailored black, ocean blue, and sepia brown colors, and it's the blue version we received for review. Its retail box includes a protective case, charging cable, 100W power adapter, a SIM ejector tool, and the usual paperwork. The Oppo Find X7 Ultra is built around a 120Hz 1.440p 6.82-inch LTPO AMOLED screen protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2. The display has a fingerprint scanner underneath for biometric authentication and a centered punch hole for the 32MP selfie camera capable of 4K at 60fps video recording. The Find X7 Ultra has an aluminum frame, with a significant portion of the back panel of our blue version covered with faux leather. It sports a massive circular island housing 4 cameras, 50MP primary, 1-inch type Sony LYT 900 with OIS, 50MP ultra-wide, 123 degrees FOV, and 250MP periscope telephoto units with OIS, making it the first smartphone to feature a dual periscope cameras. One periscope telephoto unit has 2.8x optical zoom with a 65mm focal length, while another has a 6x optical zoom with a 135mm focal length. The cameras are tuned in collaboration with Hasselblad, and the Find X7 Ultra comes with a master mode, allowing you to tune all the image parameters and enable RAW shooting. When we asked Oppo if the master mode will trickle down to other smartphones, the brand told us they have no plans and will first see how it goes with the Find X7 Ultra. Powering the Oppo Find X7 Ultra is Qualcomm's flagship Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC. The smartphone has up to 16GB RAM and 512GB of storage.